it's outside the nominal parameters.
I'm adjusting the current now, rerunning the diagnostic sweep.
The input stabilized at 25,000 volts.
Good, the German system is holding steady.
Initial tests on the carbon fiber show optimal performance. Upload the data. Logistics will route it to staging immediately.
Calibration complete. Magnetic flux at 5.2 Tesla. Optimal.
Confirmed. Ready for operation.
The weld integrity is holding at 99.8%. Good.
The liquid nitrogen flow looks stable.
Weld integrity approved. The platform is ready for mounting.
Excellent. We are clear to proceed with the body mounting.
Looks good. Bring it down slow.
Alignment checks positive.
Next row, seats C and D ready for alignment.
Aligning now. Hand me the drill.
Testing the ambient settings now. Switching to amber.
Levels look good. Now try the cool blue illumination.
Make sure the flange is seated correctly before I tighten this down.
Got it. Secure the bolts on your end.
Okay, keep going. Watch the clearance on the left side. Got it. Almost through. All right, secure the orange lead. Securing the main power feed now.
How are the levels looking on bank 3?
Stable. The emergency system is fully online. 30 minutes runtime confirmed.
Vibration monitor secured. Okay, magnetic field detector mounts here. Check the temperature sensor slack.
Tighten to spec. Looks good. Let's move to the next section. Final connection secured.
Confirmed. Initiating power sequence now. All systems stabilizing, and we are ready for diagnostics.
Clear on the starboard side, coming down slowly.
Confirmed alignment looks good, holding steady.
Stabilization confirmed. We have successful levitation.
Look at that gap. It's truly incredible technology.
Things there.
All systems indicate a successful stabilization sequence.
And we have movement. Smooth glide initiated.
All primary indicators are green.
The gap is currently at 10.0 centimeters.
Confirmed stable at 600 kilometers per hour. The future of high-speed rail has arrived. Built with precision and tested to perfection, the Maglev